Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today I have my hunk of burning love with me, and he's been here with me this weekend. And now we are going to attempt to make chicken piccata. This is one of my sister's favorite meals, and we tried to make it for you the other night. LaDonna and I tried to make it, and we had a lot of technical difficulties. We had difficulties with the recorder. We had difficulties all around. So what we did was we just made it up and ate it for supper, and I said, forget it, I'll just make it later.
The fact that you said the recorder says that you're not very technologically advanced.
Okay, we're gonna do this in the
What do you want it set to?
just put it on real low right this minute. Just kind of start getting it hot. About 200 would be good. All right, so what we're gonna do is go ahead, and I have 2 large breasts.
Some chicken too. Sorry.
I knew that was coming. And these are pretty good size. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of saran wrap, and we're gonna slice these, and then we're gonna pound them out and make them really, really thin. Slice these really thin so that they're going to cook a little faster. Take them and we'll wrap it up. Let's move that out of the way. And then I was just going to take this and then just
beat it like it owes you money?
Yes, beat it like it owes you money.
You can almost see through it. Is that enough? That
looks great. Perfect. Now, we're going to get our skillet going. Let's turn it up a little bit.
What?
Put it on about 350. Okay, I'm going to put some olive oil in the bottom of my skillet here. About a half a cup. A couple tablespoons of butter in there. So I have about a little over a cup of flour in here. And I'm going to put the Kinder's blend. If you don't have the Kinder's blend, just use salt, pepper, and garlic. So that's what this is, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, or garlic salt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and season my flour. Lightly coat them with some flour, just like this.
What's this called again?
Oh, hold on, let me get a plate to put these on. This is called chicken piccata. This is one of LaDonna's favorite meals. She orders this. If they have it on the menu when we go to a restaurant, she's getting it.
I don't have it at Arby's, so that's probably why I don't order it.
Probably not. Let's see if that's getting hot enough. Because we want to put a good little crust on this. You're going to cook these in your oil and butter.
Can you hold this?
Yes, please. Thank you. For about... Thank you for noticing that I needed help.
Well, I know she's struggling.
Look how thin that is.
No, that got the Goodfellas treatment.
Good job. Good job.
You ever seen that movie, Goodfellas?
I have not.
It's the best movie ever.
No, I haven't.
Maybe you can add sound effects on the editor.
Okay. We're going to do these 2.
Can you add some laughter tracks when I try to say
when you say something funny?
Sure.
At about 375 on my electric skillet. You're going to cook them for just a couple of minutes on each side and just get a good crisp on them. Just like that right there. Looks good. I am going to go ahead and drain these capers. You like capers?
I don't know. I don't know if I ever ate one.
They're
probably ate something with them in it.
They're kind of like a pickle, like they're pickled flower buds, right? Pickled flower buds.
From the caper bush. Whatever.
And they're pickly, so they're going to be salty, and it's just going to make it really good. I think you're going to like it. So let me go ahead and drain some of them.
Oh, they look like peas.
Now you can get all kinds of sizes. These right here are giant. These are good size ones. Take a bite of that. I think you're going to like it. Good, isn't it?
Looks like a bowl of dog chicks.
I've got here's my capers. That's going to be for my sauce. And now I have some fresh basil here. And I'm going to go ahead and chop a little bit of this up. A little fresh, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Doesn't it smell good?
Wow. That smells like that aisle at Hobby Lobby.
That smells
with
good.
the flowers. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I'm going to put it over here with my capers. Here I have some water boiling, and I have a lot of salt in it, and that's what we're going to put our angel hair pasta in. So I just got our pasta in here, and we're just going to wait for it to get done, and then we'll drain it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take these out.
That looks delicious.
I'm just gonna set these aside, and we're gonna fry our other two. All right, I'm also gonna chop up some fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley and fresh basil, you can just use the dried, it'll be fine. It's really actually a miracle that I have fresh. But we've been cooking a lot lately, so I've been trying to keep it on hand. So, someone told me use the back of your knife and it won't dull it. There.
We'll cut your hand.
Is that better?
Yeah.
All right.
If you have fresh basil and parsley, you're better than most people. I'm kidding.
All right, let me get this. We're gonna also use a lemon, and our pasta is almost done, so I'm gonna drain that. Our chicken's almost done. We have this ready. Now we're gonna make a sauce, okay? So let me go drain my pasta.
Thanks. Chicken's good.
Take it out, set it aside, and now we are gonna make the sauce, okay? You're gonna keep your fire going. I'm gonna put some roasted garlic in there. A good teaspoon of that. You can deglaze your pan with some wine. You don't have to do that, but I happen to have some wine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it because I use it for something else. And I'm just gonna use a splash of it. But I happen to have this left over from the other day, and you just kind of throw this wine in there and deglaze. You don't have to use the wine. You can deglaze it with your lemon juice and your garlic here.
Ah, Chateau Michelle.
Yes, I bought it because it says Michelle. I made something else with it. Okay, we're gonna do 1 lemon, so go ahead and squeeze your lemon in there, babe.
So was that expensive?
No. No, I can't even remember.
I figured if it was
I just said Michelle, it was
Michelle, it would be
expensive.
slightly out of reach for the average
For the average Joe?
consumer.
No, it was not. All right, so 1 lemon, 1 juice of a lemon. All right. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of flour in here, probably a good tablespoon or 2. Probably 2, yeah.
So what does that mean, deglaze your pan?
Get me a little roux going. So deglaze is like getting all the crusties off the bottom. You know, where it was cooking the chicken. All right. Now,
That smells delish.
I think you're gonna like it. Now we're gonna put in our capers and our herbs. Now they have different size capers. Here you go. He's my sous chef today. There we go.
Not quite a sous chef.
No, you are not. All right, now we're gonna do a little bit of chicken broth. Oh wait, no I'm not. I'm putting in sun-dried tomatoes. Just a few of these. I think these are gonna make it really good. I have a half a bag left here, so we'll go
Turns
ahead.
out that's the exact amount you need.
It is the exact amount I need. So I'm gonna do a little bit of chicken broth. Probably a good half a cup in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and measure this out so we'll know exactly how much we have, because somebody will ask for sure. But I'm putting heavy cream in mine. It looks like it's about 2 cups. Now, most of the chicken piccatas that I have seen, the sauce is not thick at all. It looks a lot like this right here, what you see. Kind of runny like that. And I don't like that. I like me a gravy. So I'm gonna turn the fire up to where it's gonna thicken up pretty good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my cream in.
Those look like peas. Those.
They do look like peas. Kind of like little chickpeas.
Like green peas, you know.
Yeah. All right, now what we're gonna do is put our chicken back in.
Ready for it?
I'm ready. Let me get my little,
Chicken installer knife.
oh, chicken installer knife. That sounds good. There you go. That looks so good. All right, now I'm gonna just turn this down a little bit, put the lid on it, and let it cook for just a few minutes, okay? Probably a good, maybe 10 minutes or so. let everything get good and married together. Sound good?
Oh, that lid's coming off. They're going to be fighting in a minute.
Speaking of fighting, yeah. Let me tell you about what Greg did to me. Can I tell him about what you did?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I had to go get my car. I had to get my car fixed because one of our delivery guys ran into the back of my car. And so I had to drive a little Honda that we had, one of our little extra cars that we have for if somebody needs a car. So I've been driving it around. I had a whole bunch of stuff in it. And my car got ready. And so I had to drive back to Oklahoma and get my car. And I had a bunch of stuff in it. And I left. And I wasn't 5 minutes from home. 5 minutes. And I said, hey, can you go get in the Honda and take everything out of the Honda and put it in your truck so that you won't forget when you come to Branson to bring all of my things that I left in the car? And you know what he said? What did you say?
I said, I'm helping Larry with a job, but when I get back home, I will.
You were still home. You were still home.
I was in the middle of something.
5 minutes. And he goes,
I was in the middle of something.
Anyway, he shows up on Friday and I say, did you bring my stuff?
And I said, no. Ironically, I forgot to bring the stuff that you forgot in the first place.
Yeah.
Isn't that funny?
Instead
of
saying...
That cancels out.
No, instead of saying, I'm sorry, babe. Oh my gosh, I did forget to bring your stuff. He says, no, I forgot. Oh, I forgot the stuff that you forgot to bring in the first place. He said it all wrong. Said it all wrong.
Yeah.
But I'm over it.
But it wasn't life-saving medicine. I don't know.
Okay, anyway.
I'm not here to win.
He said, drop it, it's over with. And I was like,
no, that's gonna happen.
You said, okay. I said, okay, it's over. I got out of the shower and I said, I just have to say one more thing.
Yeah.
One more thing.
And I completely forgot what she was even talking about.
That you should have said it a little nicer, that you felt bad that you forgot my stuff. But this smells good, doesn't it?
I mean, that was how long ago? 2 weeks ago?
Anyway, I have to tell you about my shirt. Oklahoma for Christmas. A group that sings this song, they're from Tulsa, Oklahoma. Both. It is Both. And that's the name of their group, just Both. The singing group, it's siblings. It's Cody, Hannah, and Caleb. And they're from Tulsa, Oklahoma. They grew up in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The sweetest family ever. They've been to Local Flavor several times. We love their family. And they moved to Nashville, Tennessee, and they got a recording deal. And now they're back in Tulsa. And this is on the radio in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It was just a couple.
But I
think it was just yesterday.
The driller on the shirt.
Yes. Oh, yeah. So it has a lot of things.
And the blue whale.
Yeah. So this is the Tulsa driller at I would say
Fairgrounds.
The fairgrounds. It was Bell's Amusement Park when I was growing up. This is the Tulsa driller, and then this is the whale, and the whale is at Catoosa.
The blue whale.
Yeah, and everybody, it's like a landmark. And then this building right here is the church studio where they recorded their song, Oklahoma for Christmas. So
you know the story of the blue whale? He built that for his wife.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yep. But he probably messed up somewhere or did the color of it wrong, or I'm sure.
I'm sure he did. I am sure he did. But anyway, I want you guys to go check out Both, the best family, and they have, you guys, they have the best heart, and they're just spreading their music everywhere. They're on 95.5. And anyway, I think they just launched the song yesterday.
I
saw it on there.
Oklahoma for Christmas.
Yes, isn't that cute?
That's
Oklahoma
catchy.
for Christmas, so cute. And then you can get a T-shirt and support our friends, the Boths, which I was calling them Boths. And he goes, it's both like both, not both like moth. And I was like, I'm so sorry. But anyway, sweetest family, Cody, Hannah, and Caleb, and their parents. Oh my gosh, I love the whole family. So go support them, go follow their page, Both, and it's just the best family and the best music group. So go listen to their music for me and support them. I appreciate it. And I know they will too. So we're gonna give this a try. Pasta right on the plate there. Then you'll get your chicken sauce right on top. Holy moly. Does that not look so delicious?
That looks fancy.
It does look fancy. And make sure you get those capers in there.
That is good. That's good.
That's delicious.
What's it called? Chicken Picasso? Chicken what? I don't think they have
Chicken piccata.
this. Do they have this at Olive Garden? Good.
Look at that bite. Holy moly, that looks good. It's so good. Thank you for cooking with me. Thank you guys, and come and see us here at Local Flavor. We have been so busy this week. It was Thanksgiving week, and we were so busy. It was awesome. So keep coming and seeing us. We appreciate you so much. Love meeting you and visiting with you. Met so many wonderful people. Just love you guys. That's so good. Delicious. We'll see y'all. Look how tall I look.
Where you're hiding.
This is how tall I really am compared to you. Platform shoes.
All right.